Speaking English is easy, but speaking friendly English, that's an art. Today, our friends Sarah and Daniel will show you exactly how to talk friendly, anywhere, anytime. Hey, Daniel, long time no see. Where have you been hiding?
I wasn't hiding. I was just busy becoming smarter.
Oh, really? Did you finally solve that math problem from last year?
Nope. Still waiting for aliens to come and help me.
That's why I like talking to you. You always make me laugh. When greeting someone, use fun comments like, long time no see. Where have you been hiding? You look happy today. These lines make the conversation lively and friendly.
So what's your plan for today?
Nothing special, just came here for coffee. What about you?
Same. I'm here for caffeine and peace.
Nice combo. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. Friendly people always welcome extra company.
Use inviting phrases like, mind if I join you? Can I sit here? Do you come here often? These make you sound open and approachable. By the way, I like your watch. Looks expensive.
Oh yes, very expensive. Bought it from the street market.
Wow, luxury street fashion.
Thanks. Your smile is also very expensive. Don't lose it.
Compliments don't have to be serious. A funny compliment works even better. Nice shoes. Are they Wi-Fi enabled? Your handwriting looks like printed font.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit.
Thanks. By the way, do you also hate waiting in long lines?
Absolutely.
Great. Now we have something in common. We are officially line-hating friends.
That's a funny title. Anyway, Daniel, I need to go now, but talking to you was fun.
Same here. Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. Have a lovely day.
You too. Stay awesome.
Friendly speaking is not about perfect grammar. It's about warm tone, soft words, and a little humor. Be kind. Be real. People will love talking to you.